Flake Ice provides more than 1,750 square meters of cooling surface per ton, compared to 400 to 1,200 square meters of other types of ice, considerably reducing the mixing time. Flake Ice stays dry, enabling easy storage and transportation. Flake Ice is produced in the ice maker by spraying water onto the inner surface of a non-rotating drum. The inner surface of the drum is cooled to -20 degrees centigrade, and the water flash freezes upon contact and forms a thin layer approximately 1.5 millimeters thick, which is the ideal thickness. This thin layer is sheared off the inner surface by shearing tools after subcooling down to -7 degrees centigrade. Combined plant with chillers saves power consumption by using the power of the other plant by using one common evaporative condenser. Storage of flake ice is just as important as its production. KTI supplies modular ice storage with a holding capacity of up to 90 tons. Flake ice falls into a refrigerated storage located below. Each ice storage system comes with an ice rake and delivery system, including an air cooler. These are housed inside a rigid steel frame or a 40-foot container. The specially engineered flake ice raking system continuously levels the ice, and the hoist assembly automatically adjusts its height to the accumulated volume of flake ice.